Hey guys, hope you're having a good morning. We are still on multiplying and dividing rational expressions 1b. And I want to go ahead and look at problem number 5. Now it looks like the only factoring we have to do in this problem is going to be that top trinomial. And unfortunately a is not 1 here, so we are going to have to use our Xbox, which I know is a pain, but it's not a big deal at the same time. Have a is equal to 3, b equals negative 16, c equals negative 12. So in our x, with our a times c at the top, 3 times negative 12 is going to be negative 36. B is going to be negative 16 on the bottom. And there are a lot of ways to make negative 36. It actually took me a while on this one. But the numbers that work here are going to be negative 18 and positive 2. So let's go ahead and put those numbers into our x then. Or rather into our box. We're going to have the 3x squared on the top left. We have the negative 12 on the bottom right. And then our negative 18 becomes negative 18x. Our negative 2 or positive 2 becomes 2x. Now to make 3x squared, it's going to be 3x times x. I don't want to put my 3x in the front, because if I put my 3x in the front, I'm going to have trouble making that 2. So let's put the 3x on top instead. It means I have an x in front here. To turn x into 2x, I need to multiply by positive 2. To turn 3x into negative 18x, I need negative 6. And then we just want to check, is it true that negative 6 plus 2 is negative 12? Well, yes it is. Alright, so that's factored. Now we're going to first rewrite this problem as a multiplication problem. So remember, we're replacing that trinomial with our factored form. So that gives us 3x plus 2 times x minus 6. On the bottom, we didn't change anything. It's 18x plus 4. Remember, we're switching the second rational expression, so that 12 is going to be at the top, x plus 8, and that x minus 6 goes to the bottom. Alright, now that it's multiplication, we can put this all over one long division bar. We are going to move that 12 to the front, and then the binomial is 3x plus 2. We have x minus 6 and x plus 8. On the bottom, the 18 is already in front. We have x plus 4 times x minus 6. Now, if we're looking for things to cancel, the only thing that cancels here is going to be the x minus 6 over here and here. So, in terms of the binomials, we're going to have 3x squared, 3x plus 2, we're going to have x plus 8. On the bottom, we have just the x plus 4. And then we want to reduce that fraction 12 over 18. 12 over 18 are both divisible by 6, and that leaves us with 2 over 3. That should be our final answer. So, yeah, hopefully that's okay. Let me show you the whole problem. You see all the work we did. Alright,